Top headlines for the day.
Tubelight is one of the most anticipated films of 2017. Given the fact Tubelight marks the reunion of Kabir Khan and Salman Khan plus Shah Rukh Khan in a cameo role, has generated a huge buzz among all the movie buffs. Since Tubelight is an Eid release, it made the fans curious about the trailer. But now you guys can chill as the release date of the trailer is out now. Ji haan. According to reports, the makers are going to release the teaser, which will be out at the end of April, and that will be followed by the trailer in May. After hearing this news, even we can't keep our calm. This would be exciting. What do you say? After the Bahubali 2 storm, the Tubelight storm is also arriving. So how excited are you to watch the teaser and the trailer of Tubelight? Do tell us in the comment section below.
इस साल 2017 में दिसंबर में रिलीज़ हो रही है फिल्म ये, और इसके अलॉन्ग साइड रिलीज़ हो रही है टाइगर जिंदा है, सीक्वल ऑफ एक था टाइगर, कैटरीना कैफ एंड सलमान खान. सो व्हाट यू थिंक, व्हाट इज़ योर एजम्पशन कि दोनों मूवीज़ में से कौन ज़्यादा आगे जा पाएंगी? एंड लेट मी टेल यू, इस फिल्म के जो बायोपिक है संजय दत्त की, इसके डायरेक्टर हैं राजकुमार हिरानी. 3 इडियट, पीके, मुन्ना भाई जैसी मूवीज़ बना. व्हाट इज़ योर ओपिनियन?
आई विल गो विद रणबीर कपूर.
रणबीर कपूर?
यस.
एनी स्पेसिफिक रीजन?
Not specifically, but the director is like something. Every time he creates a history, so maybe this time also.
रणबीर कपूर के फैंस रणबीर कपूर का मूवी देखने जाएंगे, सलमान के फैंस उसका देखने जाएंगे. तो फिर डिपेंड ट्रेलर पे करता है. फिर भी जिसका ट्रेलर अच्छा हो उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है.
क्लैश में प्रोडक्शन के हिसाब से देखे इस बॉक्स ऑफिस पे दबदबा तो सलमान का ही रहेगा.
क्या बात.
दूसरी बात तो देखा जाए तो रणबीर कपूर और संजय दत्त का है, तो फिर उनके भी फैंस कुछ कम नहीं है. Correct. वो भी कर सकते हैं.
डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द डायरेक्टर. बेसिकली अभी आपने बताया तो था कि दोनों के डायरेक्टर कुछ कम नहीं है. दोनों भी फिल्म दमदार रहेगी, और मोस्टली देखा गया तो सलमान के फैंस ज़्यादा है रणबीर से. तो मुझे तो लगता है कि सलमान खान की मूवी रहेगी, पर स्टोरी पे भी डिपेंड है. पर बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा कमाएगा तो सलमान खान कमाएगा, क्योंकि उसके फैन फॉलोअर्स ज़्यादा है.
आई थिंक सलमान खान का, क्योंकि उसका ही कलेक्शन ज़्यादा होगा.
उसका ज़्यादा?
या सलमान खान का ही, उसका ही ज़्यादा है.
संजय दत्त की जो मूवी रिलीज़ हो रही है, इसके डायरेक्टर हैं राजकुमार हिरानी, जिन्होंने पीके भी बनाई और जिन्होंने 3 इडियट्स बनाई. और इसके अलॉन्ग साइड रिलीज़ हो रही है एक था टाइगर का सीक्वल, टाइगर जिंदा है, सलमान एंड कैटरीना. व्हाट यू थिंक, कौन सी मूवी ज़्यादा आगे जा पाएगी कलेक्शन वाइज या ऑडियंस को रिझाने के वाइज? कौन सी मूवी आ पाएगी आगे?
सलमान खान की मूवी है तो ऑब्वियसली सलमान खान का ज़्यादा चांस है सुपर हिट होने का, ज़्यादा कलेक्शन करने का, बिकॉज सलमान खान एक ब्रांड है ग्लोबली.
ज़्यादा एक्सप्रेशन तो टाइगर जिंदा पे होंगे, लेकिन एक तरफ रणबीर कपूर भी है, तो बोल नहीं सकते कि हाँ अगर रणबीर कपूर की एक्टिंग और अच्छी लगी, 10 साल की मूवी है तो मतलब उसका भी हो सकता है. तब बोलते हैं ना 50-50 चांसेस बहुत है. तो ऐसे ही मतलब अगर टाइगर जिंदा है रिलीज़ हो रही है, मतलब उसमें सलमान खान, कैटरीना कैफ है, तो वो लोग के फ़ैन फॉलोवर्स है बहुत ज़्यादा है कि वो जाके देखेंगे ही देखेंगे एक बार. लेकिन हाँ अगर रणबीर कपूर की मूवी अच्छी निकली, उनका मतलब उनका स्टोरी, उनका एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो वो मूवी बोल नहीं सकते, उसको बीट भी कर सकती है.
तुम्हारा दिल क्या कहता है?
दिल मेरा कहता है कि मतलब टाइगर जिंदा ही जीतेगा.
एक तो सलमान खान की मूवी आ रही है जो हमेशा फाड़ू होती है, तो ये एक बार टक्कर दे सकती है, क्योंकि ये अलग है. ये संजय दत्त का एक्टिंग करेंगे, सो ये अलग निकलेगी. सो
और इसके डायरेक्टर राजकुमार हिरानी है,
या 3 इडियट्स वाले हैं. तो बोल नहीं सकते अभी कि कौन सा अच्छा होगा, बट होगा कुछ तो टक्कर होगा दोनों में.
दिल क्या कहता है बाबू?
सलमान वाली हो सकती है.
The competition is going to be tough, obviously, because it's Salman Khan and then Sanjay Dutt ka biopic. My uncle, who's a die-hard fan of Sanjay Dutt, will obviously go watch that. But then there are always fans of Sanjay Dutt and always fans of Salman Khan. So it's going to be a tough competition. I wouldn't say like strongly कि ये आगे जाएगा या वो आगे जाएगा.
कंटेंट तो बायोपिक का अच्छा होगा संजय दत्त की, बट सलमान के फैंस ज़्यादा हैं तो कुछ बोल नहीं सकते उस बात में.
I think Ranbir's movie, like it will be. Content wise तो obviously biopic, but अगर income wise तो फिर सलमान खान की, क्योंकि उनके फैंस ज़्यादा है इसीलिए.
Austria seems to be a Salman Khan fan country. Ever since the actor started shooting in Austria for Tiger Zinda Hai, fans have been delighted that their favorite superstar was in town. Yet again, we saw another picture of Salman Khan happily posing with his fans while the camera clicked them away. The pictures tell how happy they look while getting into the same frame with Bhaijan. Salman was shooting the first schedule in Tyrol, Austria. In fact, the director Ali Abbas Zafar also treated us with some amazing looking picturesque locales of Austria that will take your breath away. While shooting there, Salman also gave his fans the privilege to take selfies. Now that's our sweetest Salman, isn't it? Salman is currently in Mumbai and will soon kickstart with the second schedule for Tiger Zinda Hai after Katrina Kaif completes shooting for Jagga Jasoos opposite Ranbir Kapoor. For more updates, keep watching Bollywood Spy. We know Salman Khan's films are far above from the fear of clashing with any other film. His films have always done a record-shattering business at the box office during Eid. From Dabangg to Ek Tha Tiger to Sultan, his Eid release track records say it all. And it is very well known that Salman Khan dominates the Eid festival. But amidst all this, Sunny Deol has dared to bring his film on Eid. Yes, Sunny Deol has taken the risk of releasing his film Bhaiya Ji super hit with Salman's Tube Light. According to sources, despite all the distributors warning the makers of Bhaiya Ji super hit to not release on Eid as getting screens would be difficult, the producers are confident about the content and hence they are going ahead with a clash. Asserting that the fans will love Sunny Deol in his double role, Mahendra Dhariwal stated that the actor will be seen in a new avatar and fans will love it. Besides this, the producer also revealed that he has received a nod from Sunny Deol also. So the clash is on. We really hope both the films have successful run at the box office. What's your take on this? Do tell us in the comment box below.
Aamir Khan has set some incomprehensible records. With Dangal, the movie grossed Rs 380 crores at the box office, and we know his Thugs of Hindustan is no exception. This will again break the 400 crore barrier. But now it looks like the actor has once again set new standards, this time in the commercial deal space. Aamir is reportedly going to ink a Rs 500 crore mega deal with Netflix for the digital rights of his movies. A source close to Aamir Khan's production house revealed that Netflix is intending to purchase the exclusive digital screening rights of all the films made under his banner. The source added the deal, which is going to be worth Rs 500 crore, will give the online streaming giant access to almost the entire filmography of Aamir. Since Aamir's production has the biggest blockbusters from Lagan to Taare Zameen Par to Dangal, this is a win-win situation for both the parties here. Have any thoughts? Then do comment it below. There are many in Bollywood who simply stay away from endorsing a fairness cream as it indirectly gives out a really strong message of racism. We do get that. There are some stars who join the fairness cream bandwagon as the faces of their brands. Some were okay with it while some were not. But looks like Abhay Deol is not okay with the fact and took digs at the actors who have been promoting these ads, including Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone, Shahid Kapoor and Sonam Kapoor, to name a few. Yes. Abhay takes this to his Facebook page and shares a series of posts. He voiced out on our unhealthy obsession with achieving fairness and literally slammed the use of fairness creams and their respective brands. But we wonder what fueled the step. Anyways, what's your take on this? Do let us know in the comment section below.
Big Bollywood films' distribution and theatrical rights getting sold for a whopping amount is not a surprise. Be it Bahubali 2 or 2.0, it becomes a profitable venture even before its release. And that's what happened with Salman Khan's Tube Light, which is one of the biggest films of the year. Yes, if reports are to be believed, the distribution rights of Tube Light have been sold in India and China for a staggering amount of Rs 200 crores. Since Tube Light is made on a budget of Rs 100 crore, the film has already made profits and the theatrical collections will only add to this profit. It is also said that NH Studios has picked up the All India distribution rights of Tube Light for Rs 132 crores. On the other hand, an unnamed Chinese company has agreed to pay Rs 75 crore for the theatrical rights of the film in China, and thus already making Rs 207 crores in their kitty. Salman starrer has already started making box office records. What do you think about this? Do post your comments below.